even some more. In the meantime, I want to draw your attention that I've already uploaded a video giving you a walkthrough on OlimTrade, which has a really cool built-in platform, just like the what do you call that? It's just almost like TradingView NetDania. Most of the basic functions are there. Okay, let me see if I can make you a co-host. No, I cannot. I think I have to get the support to add in that function. No worries. Let's start. But in the meantime, I hope you guys saw the video. I put it up on my Facebook page, so I'll just get it to you guys. It is on my Facebook somewhere. If you go to the Binary Lab page, it is actually there. It was the most recent post. Yeah, very, very cool, very impressive. Has a lot of really cool charting stuff. Go check out this video here. It's quite awesome. So check out this one. And then for those of you who are not in the USA, you can look into this one. My take on it is that, well, the low starting amount makes it great for beginners, but at the same time, it has a lot of features to keep the more seasoned traders interested as well. So go check out my video. And for now, let's get back to our session. So I'll be doing charting on TradingView. For those of you who wish to use my TradingView template, just have this posted in this moment. Okay, I just have the template posted up over here so you guys can use it as well. So for those of you who want to use the same template on TradingView, this is the one that I use. And oh yeah, so Captain beat me to it. All right, what's good? EJ, okay. I still like typing it in. Oh wow. Okay, this could be the end of the parallel channel. I would have done a breakout trade on this, but I think we may not be able to do so anymore. Yeah, very tight. So I'd rather not. So, okay, let's find something else. I think that should be better than this. I would rather not do M5 if possible. If you guys are talking about fake outs, then let's just do SR breakout. If we see something stretching Bollinger Band, let me know, and then we can take it as well. Yep, my boy is already asleep. He slept super early today. But very excited in school. UJ, get ready for breakout to the downside. See, Euro USD is opposite trade. Let's take a UJ. UJ, get ready. 60-second put. Let's up the ante today. Because this will be the last webinar for this week. Aussie USD. Okay, if you want to do that, it'll be a 5-minute put on Aussie USD. Let's try a 5-minute put on Aussie USD. Yeah, ready? 5-minute put Aussie USD. Say go for it. Now. After that push, I don't think it should push higher than that. Very much more. Well, that proved me wrong. But anyway, we got 5 minutes on this one. So this should typically be a reversal trade. And if it doesn't, I'll be quite surprised. So leave that to run. In the meantime, let's check out what we have on UJ. Okay, UJ had the break below. It was a fake out though. And what about EURJPY? Also flat. Okay, USD JPY, I say we do a new, okay, that one we worked on the very end. And let's do a channel on these two. Shit! Yeah, that was so much a better trade. Just stuck with that. You can take it UJ again if you're fast enough. This one is also valid. As long as it's closing beneath the previous bar, that is actually valid enough for a 60-second trade. And when it doesn't, then you just cut back down. Okay, let's focus for a moment. This one reversed because it hit the bottom of this. If EJ is reversing, our AU trade should be in the money very soon. There you go.
I just cut my
Mine is also just about, I thought that, with that jump, it wouldn't push further, but it actually did push quite a bit past in that couple of seconds. Anyways, since things are quite slow now, let's just wait for this one to finish. And for those of you who do not win this trade, including myself, no chasing. All right, so this one, once it breaks past this line, will be the home run. Anything beneath 492 is a home run. So this will be a home run for us. Okay, when I do a reversal, I will look for it to stretch a Bollinger Band, value chart on the top, RSI on the top. Just like yesterday, isn't it? We had a similar setup like this. Many similar setups that went against us for a little bit. That's why the expiry time is very crucial. Just wait for this one to finish. Generally, when there's a spike like that, it makes it a lot more likely to reverse. Very nice trade. Yeah, of course, we could have waited a little bit more. I expected to stay within this parallel channel, but it went a little bit past that. Mm. Very nice. Good start. UJ, no. Let's check what else is good. AJ, yes, AJ 2 minutes. If you can get in on the AJ right now, oh dear, oh dear. Too late, too late. Okay, see if it comes back up, okay? Set on AJ. AJ for 2 minutes. Still fairly close. Yeah, shit. Missed that, missed that. You want to get around 1 9 something. Oh dear. Okay, taking it now. AJ 2 minutes. Got calm in the last seconds. No, it's not going to make it. Shit, it's not going to make it. Fresh entry. Here. Actually, we might make it. Crap. Oh, yeah. Nice to 60. It's a 2. It's a good chance of making it, you know. Looks like I get lucky. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Crap. A bit more, a bit more. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Awesome, awesome. Sweet. That'll be real safe even for those 2 minute ones. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, so close. Wow. A bit too close for comfort. If you're on the 2 minutes, then you get a much better movement than I did. All right, that's the most important thing. I'll just wait out for those who took it for 2 minutes. Okay, Euro USD, this will be a breakout trade because it's very narrow. How do I tell it's breakout? Because you see the boundary is so narrow. So anything beneath, let's get ready for 60-second breakout to the bottom. Set up 60-second Euro USD. We'll do that first. And is it beneath? No, it's still above. So, okay, nothing there. We'll wait for another minute. In the meantime, we're going to check out the Euro JPY. No, this is bad. USD, sorry, the other one's even more flat. US Canadian, no, it's not ready. It needs to stretch the upper Bollinger Band, otherwise we're not taking it. It's not a reversal. You cannot take something in the middle when it's in the middle, not even stretching Bollinger Band. We cannot take it. Reversals are only when it's stretching the Bollinger Band. And preferably coupled with a value chart as well. Okay, let's GU will be a breakout to the upside. And let's get back to, we've been looking around for some time. I hope we didn't miss a setup. No, we didn't. Okay, so EU is still good. Let's stay on EU. Once we have a breakout to the downside, we'll take it. Okay, it's still bouncing off. Keep looking. All right, GJ. This one is a little bit tricky case because of this pin bar on the conservative side, I'll just want to take it beneath the pin. I don't really know what's going to happen in the next couple of bars, but it could possibly be this containment area as well. So that's also valid. Just keep looking at the different ones. All right, GU looks kind of good. I hope it can break through. Let's get ready on that one. I think it can, you know. Let's get ready on a call. If it breaks above, we'll go for a call trade. Take note it's kind of flat, so it may not work out that well as we want. Okay, this bar is a deciding one. Hope it gets above. No, EURUSD is still not breaking beneath. So at this point of time, I'm only interested in the breakout to the bottom. Actually, you know what? Another possibility is here. Of course, I trade binary like almost all the time. FX, like, you know, a few times in a month. And the money I make in FX is like pocket change. Also because I don't stick a lot in FX. Okay, this is interesting. All right, get ready. We're going to take the pound to the bottom. All right, it's a breakout to the bottom. It's still a little bit above the middle Bollinger Band. Okay, this can keep going. Want to see this come up to the bottom side of the CCI. And I know this is going to work. All right, I don't kind of like this one because it's on the middle Bollinger Band. Let's not take it. Shit. Yeah, EU. EU is in the game. Let's take it now, EU, for 60 seconds. Oh shit. It came back already. Hope it pushes down more. So this one, like I said, is kind of flat, just like the other pair as well. If this one doesn't come out, we just have to wait for it to go back down again. Okay. Same everywhere. It's the same everywhere. Get ready for next breakout. Oh wow, we're lucky. Shit. There's a bit of an overlap, so keep your fingers crossed. It might make it. Nah, it's not gonna make it. Not gonna make it. Nope. Failed. Waiting for the next breakout. And best part, this gives me some area to draw channel. Shit. Wrong one. Yo, no. Shoot. GBP is beautiful. Crap. Oh dear. I think it's a bit late though. Okay, this will be a same size trade. If we just stayed on GU, we've been fine. Too much switching dot. We could have ridden it for like 2 bars as well. No, this one's moving away. Gutsy reversal trade on the UJ if you took that. Wait a second, we do have breakout opportunity, UJ. Okay, anything beneath here? Anything beneath here is put. So get ready on that one. Looks good. USD JPY, a lot of potential. It's a big distance from middle Bollinger Band. We can take it. Wait for end of the bar. Still some distance from the middle Bollinger Band. It's worth a shot. I'm gonna take it. I see what you mean by fake outs. Very, very flat price action movement. Yeah, we had a house party on the weekend, and then today was just like the one in class. Okay, looks like I benefited from a good entry on this. Worked out great. Okay, next up. This one hit the middle Bollinger Band, that's why I didn't pursue, okay? Otherwise I would. Oh wow. Okay, this one, reversal trade for 2 minutes call. USC CHF, 2 minutes call. Stretching the Bollinger Band, we have the value chart. Ugh, that movement. I have to climb back up, shit. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, if you want to jump the gun, you can take it round about now. I had a bad entry. It's quite oversold. There's a spread out. And I will draw additional trend line. It's parallel with moving average. Shift it out. So we should be getting reversal within these 2 bars. RSI value chart. The bounce of this line is parallel with moving average. I had a late entry, but I had a bad entry, but maybe in this next minute, if it does what I expect it to do, it can be good. If not, let's do contingency. Our contingency will be breakout. So if this doesn't work, I'm just going to set boundaries above and beneath. And this will be the breakout trade. And it was kind of serves me right for jumping the gun a little bit. Didn't expect it to move a bit extra in the last couple of seconds. But if this closes beneath the entry, then it's a stalemate. So we just have to let that finish off this way, and we'll catch on the next breakout move. Okay. Get ready, 60 seconds. Set up a USD CHF. 60 seconds. Close beneath, I'm taking it for 60. Still above. So no trade, no trade, no trade. Only if it's beneath. Wait one more bar. Wait one more bar. Okay, it looks real good. And it breaks through the bottom side. We have quite a lot of room for it to go. It'll be a put, yes. It'll be a put. Once it closes beneath this line of 810. Let's stay on this one. USD CHF. So far, so good. Let's take the puts. Don't like the price action very much today. It's very, very tight. This scenario, just have to shift the breakout zone. And remember, if it closes beneath the previous bar, we can take it again, okay? So I'm setting up for another trade. Okay, I'm gonna follow up with another trade at the end of this bar because it broke the previous low. Oh no, it's coming back in. Okay, if it's around the same, like a tie, then, okay, that is beneath. I'm gonna go in again for another one. You see that it goes beneath. Okay, I was a little bit careless on this trade because I forgot to observe that the CCI was coming back in. So this could screw up my trade a little bit. And if that's the case, once again, you know the drill. Let's shift our two bands again. Shift our two bands to here, like that. Now we're looking for a breakout move to the upside. CCI is inside here. Just so that we don't get faked out, I'm not going to do any entries yet. In the past, when I was telling you about the 60-second method, I used to do entries here with a martingale blindly, but now I would rather wait for it to break a 1 bar support resistance. Above is call, beneath is put. Can be anything. Okay, get ready. Looks like it's going to break above. I can imagine that your USD is in the same setup. Okay, get ready. It's going to break above in this bar. Okay, get ready. Next bar. It's going to be a call as long as it stays above the 814. Once again, we have a lot of distance between here and the middle Bollinger Band, so we have potential. I hope the bar doesn't go too big. If you feel uncomfortable, you can drop your trade size back to the previous trade size. I'll see how this closes and take in a minute. So in the meantime, I'm going to set up once again on the same trade, USD CHF. As long as it's higher than the previous high, then I can go in again, okay? And now that if I win this one, I'll go back to the original trade size again. It doesn't seem that it's going to break higher than it. If it doesn't close higher than the previous one, then we don't take another trade. We just stay on the same trade that we've done and just leave it as that, find a new setup. Right now we're winning by too little. It's right now just like 3 micro pips. Very low percentage. Okay, it closed higher. I'm gonna take it. Oh shit. Wasn't in time. Couldn't catch that. Crap. Did you take that? I was ready to click, but unfortunately, I hadn't clicked the direction and I missed the movement. But let's say if this doesn't work out, you know the drill. What the heck? That must be the news or something. I don't know. It almost hit the EMA, but not quite. Anyway, let's find a new setup with a bit more movement. Let's go to EURUSD. Okay, over here, same reaction. Okay, the movement is a bit dull here. Let's go to some cross pairs instead. Still not enough. Let's go to different cross pairs until we can find more stuff. And I think it could be true. I think this is because of tomorrow's event, the Theresa May and Donald Trump's meeting. That's why the market's all climbing up like this. Probably why. Okay, so let's set out on GJ. Okay, GJ. Again, same drill, above and beneath. Okay. It's very range bound, micro range. Oh, by the way, did I tell you? Oh, yeah, actually, if you watch the video, I'll show you that Olim Trade has a 15-second candle. That's super awesome. Shame you didn't have 30-second trading. Otherwise, you can use like 15-second candle. No minimum deposit for buying that members. They break out on the way, and with these few wicks not breaking the previous highs, I'm going to isolate it a little bit lower, like that. For those of you not inside the USA, for this year outside the United States, check out Olim Trade. It's even, I mean, if you like Marcus World, is I tell you, Olim Trade is no comparison. It's worlds apart. So for those of you who don't have the money for like 24 option, just want to keep it a small side, then do that. Okay, EU, we kind of missed the early move. We could have done it from here-ish. EU, if I would have done it, I would have done it from this point. Okay, this breakout will write it down. But since we're too late for that, let's just say set on the GU. GU is good. Okay, get ready for GU, pound USD. If you guys are trading this style, it's really very conservative, and I think the profit potential is very high. So if you're losing, you're probably doing something different. Okay, get ready for GU breakout to the bottom side. Get ready for 60-second put if it goes beneath. And I'm taking it now. All right, you know the drill. If it fakes out, I'm gonna shift my support. So right now, this is my support line. Close beneath, I go in again. Close above, I stay put. So I'm getting ready another one. Same trade, just in case. If it wins, I'll go in same size. If it ties, I stay put. It needs to close lower in the wick. Yes, it's doing that. So far, so good. But it's having some difficulty. Bouncing all over the place. Looks like it's not going to do it. Okay. Now, again, we will corner this trade. On the next one, we're going to do it again. And this will hopefully take us all the way to stretch the Bollinger Band. Let's stay on this one. It's a fairly good setup. Okay, since we have half a minute, I shall check the other one as well. Oh shit. A bit gradual. That's really good. But okay, never mind. Let's stay on this one. Stay on this one. EU if you want to do a reversal, but it's the angle. The angle is not great. Oh yeah, EJ 5 minutes. This is without a doubt 5 minutes call EJ. Without a doubt 5 minutes call EJ right now. So, all right. Remember that we do have 5 minutes. We'll draw a parallel line to the trend, the moving average, and then shift it like so. That was a hit. So it may go up. It may go against us for 1 minute, but technically it should be reversing. It is very oversold. Still stretching the trend line. It's still in line with this. still in line. Angle has changed a bit as well. Okay, you can look at a re-entry on EJ. Look at a re-entry on EJ if you like. I'm waiting for a doji or inside bar right now. Okay, I'm not going to jump the gun. I'm going to set myself. Okay, this is what we need. We need a pin bar or a doji. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we can do 10-minute. We can even do a binary on this. We can do a binary option on that. 10-minute call. EJ, 10-minute call. Take the 35 expiry. Okay, that is a pin bar and I'm going in. On the contrary, if let's say, this one, if only we had seen this earlier, how I would have done that instead is write it all the way down from here. That would have been excellent 60-second, but since we were in it a bit late, that's why we went for reversal instead. This one kind of like went past my expectations to continue to open according to the line. But now as you can see, that this line that I've drawn over here, it is kind of, as you can see, it's shifted away from that line right there. And, that puts it in the possibility of a sideways consolidation, and above which it would be, the home run. So I'm personally quite high committed on this trade. So I would like to kind of like stay with this one setup. And breaking this, okay, and then I could possibly do some 60-second at the same time as well. I could do a 60-second to make some small wins in the meantime with my usual trade size. If it goes above that, I'm going to do a call. Okay, didn't close above. And it's moving away, so this is my support line. I'm going to shift my support line a bit higher up, just to isolate any possibilities of it going either way, and clear my lines to show you the ones I'm exactly looking at. Right now it's here and here. This is the range I'm looking at. In the meantime, I'm also going to see, is it going to go above or beneath? Otherwise, I'm going to open a new set of trades at the same time. It's borderline. It's not even beneath. It's just borderline. I'm not doing anything yet. CCI looks decent. It shows that it's time for retracement. But the angle it's a bit gradual, so that's a bit worrisome. N5 don't look too good. Okay, I'm gonna do a new set of trades going down. Pin bar. That makes me want to stay out. I'm going to stay out because it's a pin bar. Keep in mind that it can spike up at any time. Right now, the value chart's just about the reversal point, right in the middle. It's building momentum to go up. Let's check out GJ. What's that doing? What we'll see here is probably going to be very similar as well. All right, and there we go. I was right about that. So let's open a new set of trades in the upward direction. Has to close above. If it fails to close above, stay put. So nothing done yet. It has to close above the line of 6.2. Okay, very, very narrow range. Still keeping to my support and resistance lines here. My personal take is that after this set, I'll probably want to stop because too many trades are going too sideways. So if I win this one, I'll be in profit. If not, I'll be in loss. So I want to see this one win, open up the range. And if it closes above, we can take a trade. But if it's too close to the middle Bollinger Band, if it's too close to here, then I won't take the trade. Wait for it to close above, then we take, okay, the good news is that it's testing the line repeatedly, okay? And with that, I may want to take another trade as a call, but only if it closes above that line of 6.2. It failed, so I'm staying put. In the meantime, what I can see is that it has made a small consolidation here. I'm going to scrap those lines again, and now I'm looking at something about here. Okay, once this goes up there again, I say it's very close to my middle Bollinger Band. And if I still have space between here and here, I will take the trade. If not, I won't. If it hits the Bollinger Band, I will not, even if it's a wick. Okay, so I'm getting ready. If it closes above this line, I'm taking it. Almost, almost. Okay, I'm going to take it. Call. Otherwise, same old. Okay, wait for the previous trade to expire, and then wait for the breakout again, because this is another bunch of fakes. That sucks. Real unfortunate. That's total stalemate. So in such a circumstance, I'm not going to chase the trade. What I'll probably do is that I'll probably make a couple of trades with bigger than the usual trade size. But I'm not going to go next trade 50K. I'm not going to do that. Why? Because when I see the market ding dong like this, it makes me feel very uneasy about doing that. Okay, I'm going to check out a couple of things. If I can see something that looks really good, then I might have a go. If not, I'm not going to do it. No. You know what? I think it's safer to stop here. We got faked a couple of times. I don't suggest doing a reversal trade of this. Instead, I suggest to find a really good support resistance and then take a trade of that. Okay, for everyone's safety, I'd rather do that. Okay, so let's stop here for now.